Hello everyone, today we will show you how to install Kali Linux on Virtualbox. So first open browser, then go to kali.org. We will download Kali Linux for Virtualbox. Then go to download. Now go all the way down to Kali Linux for Virtualbox. We can see there are two versions, 64-bit and 32-bit. If you are using a 32-bit PC, then download the 32-bit version, and if you are using 64-bit, then download the 64-bit version. Okay, now we can see that we can download via torrent or we can direct download. So you can download torrent if you prefer it, but I'll direct download it. So click on the Kali Linux VMware 64-bit. Now it will tell me to save file. Okay, I saved. Now I have previously downloaded it, so I will cancel this download. Now close it and I will go to the downloads. Here I can see that Kali Linux 2020 a zip file has downloaded, so we have to extract it. Select extract to, then select. It will be extracted here. It's a large file, so it will take time to extract. Now after the extraction has completed, now let's go inside the folder to see what is inside it. Okay, there are lots of file here. Now we'll close it, then we will install Virtualbox. So go to a browser and type virtualbox.org. Okay, click downloads. If you are an Windows user, then click on Windows hosts and your Virtualbox will start downloading. If I click on Windows hosts, here it tells me to save the file. If you are on Windows, then save the file. I am on Linux, so I will cancel it. And now to download Virtualbox on Linux, you can download it from terminal. So open your terminal, then sudo apt update the apt repository, then give your password. Now sudo apt install Virtualbox, then press enter. I have already Virtualbox installed, so in your case it will install here. Now let's open the Virtualbox. Now we'll click on machine, new, then we have to give a name. Let's say Kali. You can choose any name you want. Then type is Linux, and Kali is a Debian based operating system, so we choose Debian. Now memory size, here how much RAM you want to allocate for Kali, choose that according to your system. Okay, now we will click on use an existing virtual hard disk file. Now add, then we will go to downloads, and here we can see that lots of vmdk files. We will choose first one, open, then choose. Now create. Okay, the virtual machine for Kali Linux has been created. Now we can change the settings from settings menu. Here we can change the memory we have allocated previously and the number of processor we want to allocate for Kali. One thing we want to change here is the network settings. We will choose bridge adapter. If you choose net here, then the Kali Linux machine will take the same IP address as your host operating system, and if we choose bridged, then it will have a different IP address which is provided by your router. Okay, now we start. Kali Linux is starting. We can choose full screen mode from view or scaled mode. If we choose full screen mode, then the VirtualBox will go full screen, and if we choose the scaled mode, then the Kali will go full screen. Okay, now default username and password is Kali, so we'll KALI, and password Kali, KALI. Okay, login. Now we have successfully logged in our Kali Linux virtual machine. We can see that all the penetration testing tools are installed here. What we need. If we want to go full screen, we have to choose scaled mode. Let's choose it. Okay, here when you want to exit from full screen mode or scaled mode, you have to press host and C. Host is the your right control button. So let's switch. Okay, here is our Kali Linux virtual machine. I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the other videos.